Hello, welcome to another episode, question number 27, NOV-DEC 2024 core mathematics. A bag contains 15 red and 10 blue identical beads. If two beads are selected at random from the bag, one after the other, and replaced, calculate the probability of choosing a blue bead first and then a red bead. So if it is replaced, then the total number of beads will still remain the same. So first thing first, we have R representing, let me just say, number of R representing red, right? Which is going to be 15. Number of blue representing 10. So total, we can say number of U will become 15 plus 10, that's 25. So probability of first selecting blue first and red. So blue is going to be number of blue over total. We get it? Then again, don't forget and or are concept in probability that depict what? Arithmetic symbols, if I could put it that way, or you say operations. So and is showing multiplication. So I am going to say that probability of blue and red will mean that first probability of blue. So let me just say probability of blue times probability of what? Red. And how do we find probability? We find the event divided by total. So this is going to be 10 divided by 25 times red. 15 divided by what? 25. So now that I said it is replaced, that is why we are having 25 here. If it is not replaced, this will have reduced to what? 24. Alright. Against picking 5 as a common factor, I will get 3 here. 5 here 5, 5 here 2, 5 here 5. So 2 times 3, 5 times 5, 2, 3, 6. 5, 5, 25. So the probability is the option B as 6 divided by what? 25. I guess it is clear. Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe.